Good morning. It's Saturday, and I'm going to be continuing along the Mill Creek Greenway. The temperature is great. It's in the 60s, sunny sky. So with some good, perfect fall weather. Just trying to enjoy it as long as I can. So we have been to Whitsett Park, Zell Park, Blue Hole Road, the Segment Park. That's where I went last weekend. So today we're going to do Rivendell segment. It's basically just a loop here in the subdivision, but I gotta make sure I do everything. So I want to get that loop and see what that's all about. And then we'll go to this bigger park, which is Orchard Bend Park / Mill Creek Park segment. 2.5 miles. I think that's a bigger one, so we'll get that as well. So we're going to do those two today, barring any, unforeseen circumstances, of course. But let me go get ready, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, here we go. Oh, I said, okay, guys. I need to stop doing that. But, everyone, here we go. Let's check it out. See how brief this will be. I'm gonna try to speak up louder, because I realize it's hard to hear with wind. So we'll see how it goes. This is nice because it's just in a little subdivision. It's a nice little ride along. Oh, where does that go? I don't know. Hey. Oh, I know. Come get me. That was funny. Dogs are funny. Man, these little solid things are killing me. Of course I want to go see where they go. Morning. Okay. Well, my calibration was off, but maybe not. I'm good. Okay, let's see. Your crickets. funny. Be like a nice little place to go to at the end of the day. Just take a little walk, chill out. Let's go right. Yep, that's where we need to go. Boy, oh boy, short and sweet. A nice trail though, or a nice little pathway. All right, let me put it back in the car. I'll be right back. All right, there's our stats. Not even a mile. So again, I kind of expected a loop not to take very long, but wanted to put the stats on here. Okay, so that short little jaunt there was Rivendell segment. So very short, but you know, I like to document these things properly. So nice little ride, perfect weather. So want a place to go for a real quick walk or bike ride, this is your place. So I'll get ready and we'll go on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe below.